chase, frameworks and processes, on tools to train, Maverick managers and excellence array. In the final hours, reflections shine clear. Lessons learned, achievements dear, closing out strong, our journey's complete. Mavericks of management never fade.